Time to get some slushy. Quick, you go to Parkdale. The boys. Needs is amazing. Yeah. Look at that. Alright, we're gonna get some slushy. Slushy boys do good. Yep. Well, time to go to Parkdale. Skate Park, Webisode 1.
We're all going to Parkdale?
Yeah, she's like, yeah. I'm like, thank you very much.
When he's too further. Fucking idiot. Caden's too sick. Jacob needs to take pictures because he's hashtag white girl problem. They're not strong enough to lift that fucking box. What a goon. Now, get some clips. Oh, you suck. What a goon. Keep going. You got it, buddy. Come on. Here, we'll try from this side. Oh, you're so close. Ah! Go, feeble. Ready? Look at that bus. Lead a bus. So bees. That is wicked. Good shape. Let's go check this out. Change. Hey, look at Woody Woodpecker.
This looks like Mr. Leahy's house.
It does too. Leahy.
Way better.
Wait,
Shout out to Leahy. So Leahy's car. Look at that old beater. Really? Kid from Knight Rider. It's Kid from Knight Rider. The green version. My nan had one.
Look at a gas pump.
That's like Kate's dick. Oh. It's the hippie shake. It's Brandon Luke's shake. And his nice ass BMW.
Look at that. Look at this.
Take this.
That's a doll? That's a baby. No, that's a kid.
Spider Girl.
Let's go. Look at that doll. Hey, look, it's one.
Well, our drive's here and it's getting pretty bad, so yeah. We're gonna end this day up. I think we've got some clips to go with. And yeah, so we'll be in the next webisode. All the boys. Probably do some more shit. No, we didn't do that much stuff today, but it was pretty rainy and grounds are pretty slippery, so we'll be might